Today I'm going to show you how to make a better cat emoji. So yeah. Okay, I'm creating a project and I have internet. Yay! Okay, so you want to do the same thing. Do hearts. Once again, I'm going to do blue. Blue is my most favorite color. Like this again. And then you have to add the circle head. Like always, you do that. And let's draw the eyes. Okay, that's the foot. I guess I could draw the eyes like this. Okay, that looks completely disgusting. I don't like the eyes. Okay, I have to lower it down because I put it up when I was making another animation. So I have to put it back to 4 because 4 is the best one to make cat emoji eyes. Okay, there. It's back to 4. Or I could just make emoji eyes, but this is not black. It's not black. I forgot to change it black. Okay, let's see the best way to make the eyes. Yeah. Okay, wait, guys. Okay, guys, this looks better. We'll do it. Okay, I did it good, I think. Now, and now I have to add the head. What if it was so small? That would be a disaster. Yeah, that's a better way to make the head. But I'm gonna make the eye. That's a better way to make it. But I'm now gonna make the eyes. We could make the emoji eyes like they do with babies.
Let's go.
Okay, now let's color it in.
We must find Wednesday. Missing something.
Okay, I'm only adding a head because I made space so I don't need a body. You guys, you know you don't need bodies for cat emojis. That people put bodies, like me, I put bodies. So you probably. And then I'm gonna make this animation into a I'm gonna make this character into an animation. So I finished this part, finished the head. Now it's time to do the hands. OMG, those are big. Okay, let's see. Now I have to. Okay. Okay, that's. Wait, what do I have on? Blizzard. Okay, now let's get this hand.
How do I wake Sky up now?
Okay, now let's add the things here. Okay, you know what? The Blizzard beta is bad. I'm putting it off.
I found the kid.
Yeah.
Have you liked and subscribed to Baking Strong yet? Me.
Okay, you know I'm using the ruler. Okay. This ruler. Okay. There, now I can draw a straight line without any problem. There. Okay. Okay, now let's take away the ruler. Now let's circle this with this thingy. And then do this. There, that's a good way. That's the best way. You just add that fur on him. And he needs like I'm gonna add a hat. You need like a hat. I should put a crown. I mean, I can't find a crown in the emoji place. So yeah, I can't find one. So I don't know what to do. I just can't find the crown. There's no crown. I don't know why. I don't know where the clowns are. There's no clown. I don't know why. We'll have to draw a clown. I don't want to draw a clown. Fine, I'll put something in the background. Okay, I should put something in the background. Actually, I should put something on his head. Because I don't know what to put on his head. There's no, like, hats. That's why I'm saying no hats. Okay, there's no hats. I don't know what the hats are. There's no, like, hats or anything.
I have this. Just write his name and
Okay, he's just gonna have a plaster on his ear. Okay, now he's gonna have a diamond on his ear.
Ti spento il gioco muore. Chi fixette computer io che. The what? Like and subscribe.
Uh, okay, now let's place it.
Where is the money I gave you to buy food? I dropped it. Damn, son. Wait a minute. What the dog do?
I can't do this anymore. I can't put a diamond on him. I guess his plaster is gonna be gone. His plaster is gone forever. I don't want the plaster. So what can I put on this guy? A shirt? Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna put something on him.
I sell him for 10,000 Robux. Yes.
OMG. OM. Don't say it. Okay.
I have something to show you.
What is Jada? Jada, what are you watching?
Come in.
So you picked that one? You picked the worst one.
Ever wondered what the world would be like without music? How about without adults? What about without garbage? Well, today we're going to be checking out exactly that. First up, a world without music.
Okay.
No, it's a bird. The bird can't even sing.
Okay. Slash kill Lucky Go. Okay, now since we put it on his clothing.
Seriously? Dude, imagine listening to a tutorial and you're like, yeah, this is awesome, yeah.
So this is the guy. I'm going to make him into an animation.
Yeah, we can all hear you. Okay,
So yeah.